channel. If you are new here, please make sure to subscribe as we upload all the time.
Welcome to the first part of Artificial Intelligence series. In this series, I am going to take you on a journey and teach all the skills you need for artificial intelligence. Picture this, a machine that could organize your cupboard just like you, or serve every member of your house a custom cup of coffee. Makes your day easier, doesn't it? These are the products of artificial intelligence. But why we use the term of artificial intelligence? Because the machines are artificially incorporated with human intelligence to perform the task as we do. This intelligence is built to use the complex algorithm and mathematical functions, but AI may not be obviously as the previous examples. In fact, artificial intelligence is used in smartphones, cars, social medias, video games, banking, servers, and many other aspects of our daily life. Let us know the brief history of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence was first coined decades ago in 1956 by John McCarthy at Dartmouth Conference. He defined artificial intelligence as the science and engineering of making artificial intelligence machines. In a sense, AI is a technique of getting machines to work and behave like humans. In the recent past, AI has been able to accomplish this creation of machines and robots that are being used wide range of fields including healthcare, marketing, business and analytics, many more. Nowadays, artificial intelligence has become a part of our life. As I said, the examples for artificial intelligence like smartphone, cars, medias, and banking. These are the things which we use regularly in our lifestyle. So, this artificial intelligence is used to reduce the human work. This concludes what is artificial intelligence. We'll just continue our next class in next video.
I think by seeing this video, you have got basic awareness of artificial intelligence. So we are going to start a course called Artificial Intelligence for Beginners. So please wait for next video and stay tuned with our channel.